This is our second clubhouse. Stainless steel appliances, completely renovated. This is one of the smaller of the two ones, but what makes it really nice is that it gives it more of a personal feel. It's also available during office hours, right outside the pool area and the lounging area. This one has a little bit more of a homey feel. Built-in fireplace. Plenty of seating space. Large TV, plus cable and Wi-Fi. Not only is it available during office hours, but you can also rent it for private events. And this is the Clubhouse in building 5445.